Good afternoon. You know what time it is. It's Color with Us. You rock art. Oh, yeah. We love doing this one. We join in every single week if we can. And the wonderful, wonderful creator that came up with this is Rosemary. You rock art. She is a great channel. Please go over and check her out. You will be amazed at what she does. I always enjoy watching her videos, and she's the one that inspired me to try coloring. Yeah, I watched her videos probably for 5, 6, maybe even 8 months before I decided to join in. And I did it thinking, well, I'll try it and see if I like it. I bought a little cheap package of gel pens and a coloring book. I was totally amazed how much I enjoyed it and how much it made it easier to relax when I came home. It sort of calms the mind, so I really do enjoy it, and I try to join in every week. And to keep myself from getting stale or being unhappy, I change my books around a lot. And this book is a book that my granddaughter, Brittany, told me about. And she's right, I do enjoy coloring in these books. They're a little more on the more simple side. They're not so much detail work. So I really don't feel so overwhelmed because I can usually get a page done a day with no trouble. And so when I don't want to spend a lot of time on detail work, these are the books I come to. But they're still done beautifully, as you can see. Now I did change up a little bit of my techniques on doing these pages. Yes, Grandma is trying something a little new. The backgrounds are very hard and time consuming to do. And I really haven't done, well, I guess I shouldn't say that. I've done a lot of backgrounds, but I've also did a lot without doing the background. So I'm trying to figure out ways to do some of the backgrounds where it doesn't take quite so much time. Now, some of these backgrounds have so much detail work, you're still going to put a lot of time in. But sometimes it's just better to just dive in and try something new. So Grandma did try something new this time. Hope you guys enjoy what I had to share. Come on now, you ready? Are you ready to see what Grandma did different? Okay, here it is. I did the backgrounds with watercolors. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty nice. What I did is I put several different colors on a paper towel and had the paper towel a little bit on the moist side. Not like a lot of wet, but just a little bit. Let the colors sort of run into it, and so that's why you see yellows and purples and pinks. And I thought it turned out really good, and it was pretty easy to do. And I also tried something else new. Normally my skin colors always look terrible, and I'm not saying that this one looks great either exactly, but at least it doesn't look terrible. So what do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good, even the green skin. Just something a little different. And of course, I loved how the butterflies turned out. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of the background using watercolors. And this one here I also did also. And this is what it looks like before I color. And if a little bit of the color gets on whatever it is, I just cover it up with gel pen. I really thought it turned out good, and it was so much easier, and I thought it made the picture pop better off of it. Now here's the other one I did also, same technique. I used the yellow and orange and a little bit of green in the background, and I thought it turned out pretty good. And her hair I thought turned out pretty good, and I used green ribbon in her hair and to match her pretty green eyes. And even my little octopus has a little bit of green tinge to his skin. Doesn't it look wonderful? I liked it really well, and I thought all the colors, including the background, sort of match, and I still think it turned out pretty nice. Like I said, let me know what you thought of the background, and it is a lot easier to do. Maybe next week I will do a few pages and show you how I mix the colors actually on the paper towel and then dab it onto the background. I really am liking this technique, and I think I'm going to be using it in the future. But like I said, you can't use it on everything you do, but it does look nice. And the watercolors, if you do get a little bit on the page, you can easily go over it with gel pen, and it's fine. Well, let me know what you thought of this new technique. Well, I don't know if it's new, it's just new for me. We all have to try different things out. Don't forget to check out the slideshow now.